Welcome to Anson's World of Mathematics. Mathematics formulas made easy. Today I am going to teach you how to find square root of a number by the most shortest method. First, we have to remember three tables. Table number 1 is number 1 to 10 and their square. Number is 1, square is 1. Number is 2, square is 4. Number is 3, square is 9. Number is 4, square is 16. Number 5, 25. 6, 36. 7, 49. 8, 64. 9, 81. 10, 100. This is the second table, is the most important table. If the last digit of the square is 1, then the last digit of the square root will be 1 or 9. If the last digit of the square is 4, the last digit of the square root will be 2 or 8. If the last digit of the square is 9, the last digit of the square root will be 3 or 7. If it's 6, 4 or 6. If it's 5, 5. If it's 0, 0. Remember, note the point that perfect square never ends with the number 2, 3, 7 or 8. Third table. We already know the number from 1 to 10 and their squares. So it will be easier for you to find the square of number from 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 100. If the number is 10, square is 100. If the number is 20, square is 400. If the number is 30, square is 900. 40, 1600. 50, 2500. 60, 3600. 70, 4900. 80, 6400. 90, 8100. And 100 will be 10,000. Let's find square root of the number 9801, 9801. The last digit of the number 9801 is 1. Therefore, the last digit of the square root will be either 1 or 9. The answer at this stage is last digit number 1 or last digit number 9. Next, we observe that the number 9801 lies between 8100, which is square of 90, and 10,000, which is square of 100. Thus, our answer lies between 90 and 100. Our possibilities at these stages are 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98 and 99. However, from the first step, we know that the number ends with 1 or 9. So we can eliminate the numbers that do not end with 1 or 9. The two possibilities at the stages are 91 or 99. Lastly, we know that the number 9801 is closer to the bigger number 10,000. And so, we can take the bigger number 99 as the answer. Here is the figure, you can note it down. 9801 is closer to 10,000. So, 99 will be the answer. Let's find square root of the number 5184, 5184. 5184 ends in 4. So the square root ends in either 2 or 8. Answer at the stage is last digit 2 or last digit 8. 5184 is between 4900 and 6400. So the square root is between 70 and 80. Combining the first two steps, the only two possibilities are 72 and 78. Out of 4900 and 6400, our number 5184 is closer to the smaller number 70 square 4900. Thus we take the smaller number 72 as the correct answer. Find the square root of 529, 529. 529 ends with 9. Thus the answer ends with 3 or ends with 7. It lies between 20 and 30. The possibilities are 23 and or 27. 529 is closer to the smaller number 400 and hence the smaller number 23 is the answer. We have seen different examples and calculated their square roots. However, the final answer in each case is always a two-digit number. In most exams and even in general life, one will come across squares whose roots are two-digit answer. Thus, the above examples are sufficient and there is no necessity to stretch the concept further. However, we will study a couple of examples involving big numbers so that you will be understand the fundamentals thoroughly. Let's find square root of the number 12,544, 12544. The number 12544 ends with a 4. So, the square root ends with 2 or 8. The answer at this stage is 2, last digit 2 or last digit 8. Further, we know that the square of 11 is 1 to 1 and so the square of 110 is 12100. Similarly, square of 12 is 144, and so the square of 120 is 14400. The number 12544 lies between 12100, which is square of 110, and 14400, which is square of 120. Thus, the square root of 12544 lies between 110 and 120. But we know that the square root ends with 2 or 8. Hence, our only possibilities are 112 or 118. Lastly, 12544 is closer to the smaller number 110, and hence we take the smaller possibility 112 as the answer. Guys, let's note the figure, the diagram. 12544 lies between the square of 110 and 120. It lies between 12100 and 14400. It's closer to 12100. 12544 is closer to 12100. Hence the answer will be the smaller number 112. Let's find the square root of the number 25,281, 25281. The number 25281 ends with a 1. Therefore, the square root ends with 1 or 9. The answer at this stage is last number 1 or last number 9. We know that the square of 15 is 225, and therefore the square of 150 is 22500. Similarly, square of 16 is 256, and therefore the square of 160 will be 25600. We know that the root lies between 150 and 160, and hence the only possibilities are 151 and 159. Lastly, the number 25281 is closer to the bigger number 25600, and hence we take the bigger number 159 as the correct answer. We have thus seen that the concept can be expanded to numbers of any length. Let's check out the figure. 25281 is closer to the square of 160, 25600. Hence, the answer will be 159.